Why does YouTube TV display streaming limit reached? YouTube TV allows up to 3 simultaneous streams per account. Exceeding this limit triggers the streaming limit reached message. This restriction ensures fair usage and optimal service performance. Steps to resolve the issue. Number 1, verify active streams. Ensure no more than 3 devices are streaming content simultaneously on your account. Check for any devices that may be streaming unintentionally. Step number 2, manage device access. Review devices linked to your account and sign out from any not in use. If you've shared your account, inform others about the streaming limits to prevent conflicts. Step number 3, upgrade to 4K Plus add-on. Consider subscribing to the 4K Plus add-on for unlimited simultaneous streams at home. This add-on removes the 3 stream limit when connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Step number 4, set your home network. To benefit from unlimited in-home streams, set your home Wi-Fi as the designated network. Open YouTube TV on your TV device. Go to Settings, Streaming Limits. Select Set Current Networks as Home. Note, you can change your home network up to 3 times within 30 days. Step number 5, avoid unauthorized access. Ensure your account credentials are secure to prevent unauthorized streaming, which can count towards your stream limit.